Today we compare two legendary Zojirushi rice cookers to find the best choice. We are breaking down features, performance, and value to help you decide. Zojirushi NS-ZCC10 versus NS-TSC10. Let's see which truly stands out. Starting with the NS-ZCC10, known for premium build and reliability. This model uses advanced fuzzy logic for precise rice cooking. It automatically adjusts temperature and timing for consistent results. Build quality feels solid with a premium stainless steel exterior. The inner pot is thick, durable, and easy to clean. Cooking performance delivers fluffy, evenly cooked rice every time. Keep warm mode maintains texture without drying rice out. Controls are simple, intuitive, and beginner-friendly. This cooker excels for daily use and long-term reliability. Overall, NS-ZCC10 feels premium, dependable, and performance-focused. Now let's switch to the Zojirushi NS-TSC10. This model focuses on versatility and user-friendly features. It also uses fuzzy logic for adaptive cooking performance. Cooking results are consistent with good texture and flavor. Exterior design is lighter and more compact than ZCC10. Inner pot quality remains solid and easy to maintain. Keep warm function performs well for short to medium durations. Menu options offer flexibility for different rice types. This cooker targets convenience and everyday practicality. NS-TSC10 balances performance with a more affordable feel. Overall, NS-ZCC10 wins for premium quality and long-term performance. Choose ZCC10 for enthusiasts, TSC10 for casual everyday rice cooking.